Namaste. Welcome to this practice of guided meditation. This meditation is for improving the health of your skin, for healing any skin issues or diseases. Any part of your skin where you're having any issues, you can focus more on those parts while doing this guided meditation practice. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Be in a quiet place, away from noise and disturbance. Close your eyes. Let's start by taking a deep breath in. Notice your chest and abdomen expanding with air. Exhale from your mouth. This is a cleansing breath. Pay attention to the sound of air at the back of your throat. Repeat it 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax and inhale. Exhale from your nose. Pay attention to your relaxed breath. We breathe in and out all day. Take a moment to acknowledge your breath. Imagine your breath is nourishing your skin. Deeper breaths are having a soothing effect on your skin. With each breath, air is coming in and going out, not just through the nose, but also through each of your skin pores. See your skin coming to life with the good flow of air. It's becoming beautiful, radiant, and healthy. You are feeling a cool sensation on the skin. Your skin is enveloping your entire body. It protects you and holds you together, just like an envelope protects a letter. Your skin is also your largest organ. It experiences cold, heat, air, and water. It also helps you remove toxins from the body. Join your palms and express gratitude to your skin for the wonderful things it does to you unconditionally and without getting tired. Skin gives you signs of what's going on inside the body. Notice how your skin is. Is it too oily? or dry? Is there any itching or burning or any other unpleasant sensation? Go within and understand what your skin is trying to tell you. It could be lack of sleep, late night sleep, unhealthy diet, too much stress, or lack of exercise. Acknowledge and promise your skin you are observing the signs it's sending you. You will take care of yourself. Tell your skin you are nourishing it with love and kindness. Imagine this as a golden light entering your body through your head and reaching your skin on the entire body. Your skin lights up. It is golden, beautiful, and it is healing. The golden light is healing your skin. Take a moment to enjoy this bliss. You are feeling very light and at ease. Say thank you to your skin for protecting you, healing you, and with that, thank you. Seal the golden light to be within you always. May the golden light heal your skin now and forever. Namaste.